Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to connect the Android Auto in Volvo XC40. First of all, I'll start the car. Then you have to locate the data port, which is located right here, has white frame around it, and I will connect our USB cable to it. After you have connected the cable, you have to go to the app view and you will see this Android Auto application. Press on it and it will ask you whether to accept or decline these conditions. Press accept, and shortly again press continue, and you will see Android Auto right here. Now you guys can use Google Maps from your phone. Besides that, you can use various applications installed in your phone as well. You can listen to the music, you can listen to the podcasts, for example. Besides that, we can make phone calls from the contacts in your phone, and you can change some settings in here as well for your Android Auto. You can also use voice commands to control your Android Auto. On the steering wheel you have to press this button, press and hold. Take me to the gas station.
Got it. There's SO 0.2 miles away. Want to navigate there?
Yes, please.
Got it. SO 0.2 miles away.
And as you can see, it works, and actually works quite good. Of course, you can ask the lady about the weather. What is the weather forecast for tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Burnaby, it'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 0 and a low of -6.
Without pressing the button on the steering wheel, you can also simply say, "Okay, Google, take me to Costco."
Okay, there's a Costco wholesale 2.3 miles away. Navigate to that one?
Yes.
Alright, Costco wholesale 2.3 miles away.
And as you can see, it also works this way. After initial setup, Android Auto will start automatically once you connect the cable. So I will disconnect it right now. It disappears and I will reconnect it. And shortly you will see Android Auto tile on the bottom. Again, you press it and there it is again. If you don't want it to reconnect automatically, you can change it in the settings. You can swipe the screen, press settings, and you have to go to communication, Android Auto, right here. And as you can see right here, it gives us a couple of options. Our current phone is the top option, so I will uncheck this box. And now once I disconnect and reconnect the cable, it will simply say start from applications panel, so it won't, as I said, start automatically. Now you have to go to app view again, and then only after that it will start right here. Android Auto is only shown in the center display and not in the instrument panel. Unfortunately, it cannot be shown full screen in this case. The newer models of XC40 come with a different operating system, which has built-in Google Maps, which you can view full screen. Unfortunately, not in this year of the XC40. If you guys press right here, you will see other devices which we earlier connected in this vehicle. You can connect up to 20 different Android Auto devices in this vehicle, and once you add new ones, if you have 20 for example, the oldest will be removed. And the only way to remove all the devices is to do a system factory reset. That's it for our quick Android Auto connection video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.